Okay, I have a little plastic ornament here, and I have 4 different colors of glitter that will create our ombre look. I have a teeny tiny little funnel. This is important. And what you can't see is I have some mop and glow. That's what we're going to use to stick our glitter on the ornament. So I'll start by taking the top off, and I'm going to get a little bit of mop and glow in there. Working on the paper towel. And we're just going to rotate the ornament until we want to make sure it's all coated in there. And I actually have a little spare piece of cardboard here that I'm going to let it drain off on. So I'm making sure I get that mop and glow all the way around the top. And I don't want any extra in there, so I'm just going to tap it off to get any excess out. All right. All right. Well, now we have, it's coated very thinly, and I'm going to put my funnel in, and we're going to start with the darkest color that we have. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in there. Okay. And we're just going to kind of tap it around to let it spread at the very bottom. So that's not very much. I'm going to add a little bit more. Rather add a little bit at a time than too much. And again, I'm just going to tap it around. Now the next part is the key to getting the ombre effect. Again, I'm going to add my darker color, but just a little bit. And then I'm going to do a half and half with my next color. Which is just a little bit brighter. And I'm gonna tap my ornament around. And then I'll add maybe just a little bit of that darker color and a little bit more of my next lightest color. I'll tap it around until it's done. So you can see the bottom's coated nicely now. And now I'm just going to do that second lighter color. Just a little bit. And tap that around a little higher. Now I'm going to add a little bit of that one. And a little bit of my next lighter color. And we'll add our next higher bit. So it's getting a little lighter, as you can see. And then I'm going to add a little more of my third color, just a tad of that second color. Let that go around. And now I'm just going to add that third color in there. It's a much more pinky kind of color, so it makes a very pretty light. You can see the lightening of the ornament already. Now I'm going to add my third color and my lightest color, about half and half. I think I need a little more of this one. And let that start to come towards the top. And then finally, I'm just going to add the last bit of my lightest color glitter and get this last bit. I have a paper towel down to tap off the excess. And you can see nice, pretty ombre ornament. Super easy.